Hello, and welcome to Owen Sound District Secondary School. My name is Holly Berner, and I'm one of the guidance counselors here at OSD. When you join the Wolf Pack at Owen Sound District Secondary School, you will have the opportunity to participate in one of our 8 Specialist High Skills Major programs. But what is a Specialist High Skills Major? You can find a more detailed explanation of a Specialist High Skills Major program by following the link in the description below. To put it simply though, in grade 11 or 12, you can sign up for a Specialist High Skills Major program where you will take a bundle of courses related to a specific economic sector. You will also complete a co-op placement, industry recognized certifications, and participate in experiences and reach ahead opportunities. Owen Sound District offers Specialist High Skill Major opportunities in 8 different economic sectors. Here's a brief look at our programs. With our 8 unique Specialist High Skill Major programs here at Owen Sound District Secondary School, we have something for everyone. Talk to one of our guidance counselors today to find the program that's right for you.